What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to delete a YouTube comment that you've left. Now, I'm on mobile, but this works for desktop as well. So you're just going to go to the comment that you want to delete. For me, I don't really have a comment in specific, so I'm just going to purposely create this bad worded comment. And then just in order to delete it, all you're going to do is just hit the three dots in the bottom right corner of the comment itself, and it's going to bring up a little menu. But you can see the second option there is for you to delete the comment. And once you hit delete, you will no longer be able to see it, or anyone that comes across this video, this comment will no longer pop up. Also, before this video ends, I would like to say, if you are in the market for a new set of headphones, my favorite headphones just went on sale on Amazon. Now, I use these for everything, whether it's recording my YouTube videos, taking them to the gym, taking them for a walk, or just listening to any music or videos in general. They are multi-purpose, they are also water resistant, and I've had them for over 3 years now without problem. They hold battery for quite a long time. I only have to charge them every couple of months, even though I use them every day. They're just an all-around great headphone. People are often a little bit skeptical to spend that kind of money on headphones, but I truly believe it's a great investment if they've lasted me over 3 years and the quality is unlike any other headphones I've had before. I would highly recommend. They're also wireless, so it's really hard to not like these headphones with all the features that they have. And yes, Amazon is selling them for the cheapest on the market. If you are interested in grabbing yourself a pair, I link them at the top of the description. I highly recommend you grab one. Otherwise, if you are confused or have any questions about this tutorial, comment them down below and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.